Now I want to present Pluggy. Okay, in Pluggy Editor I create a new game. Sorry, change in English. I insert a name, a subtitle, a description, and I apply the modify. If it's possible, create a debug system. I insert a limitation of time, position with geolocalization. It's possible create private. It's possible create with the voice or play alone with or solo, and other setting. For example, the start or score of the game. This is the first trial, but I won't save it to don't make lost data. Okay, and this is the first trial. I want to create a welcome trial. Okay, I prepare some test. It's better create some test before start to create the game. This is a description. I don't want added score for this because it's only a welcome screen. I want to create an image. I prepare some images, and this system will resize the image to avoid a bigger image, difficult to download. This is the trial name. I want activated this at the start of the game. It's possible to activate with timer, with score, with geolocalization, or use a QR code word, keyword. It's possible for every trial define if after complete the possibility after complete or after failed, or in case after so it's possible, for example, if it's complete hidden this trial number 1. I enable this, okay, and I want added a quiz trial. In this case is an athletic trial. This is the description. It's possible edit. I want to insert 100 point in the score. I want to insert, sorry, I insert a lot of text, but I want to insert a title. I copy in the question. I want added images. I prepare some images, Carl Lewis. Also in this case the image will be resized. I copy. In this case is the right answer. And in these cases I want to create the timeline. Okay, after I complete the first welcome screen, I want activated this quiz. In this case, not activated, sorry, is execute in automatic way. So after I complete the first trial, the second trial will be execute. I want to create another quiz. in this case is a quiz with Niki Lauda. I copy to create the title. I insert one underscore. I copy one image. And I verify the number. Okay. Okay, insert some value. Now, after I complete the first quiz, I want activated the second quiz. Okay, in this case I hide the number 2 and I execute the number 3. Very easy to make. In a quiz is possible failed the quiz. So in these cases, if I I enable the failed, and it's possible complete the game. I can insert a message and I failed completely the event, the entire game. So in these cases I'm not a bad guy. I want to make another possibility. I want to clone to create a second possibility, and in easy way I only create another trial. I clone this, I modify the position, I want decrease the score, for example 25 point, and now in the first quiz, if is complete, I activated the number 3, the second quiz, but if it's failed, I want activated the second possibility, second chance. Obviously in these cases is I not hide the 2, but I needed to hide the 4. The same with this. So now I choose possibility, for example try again, to complete this quiz. Is a choice of the developer, of the game creator. If possible, 10 possibility, nothing possibility. Is a drag and drop system. I want to create another another quiz about Michael Jordan. Or in this case, I also insert 100 point. I select the photo. Okay. I copy the question. I copy the right answer and the wrong answer. Okay, is the possibility to insert 8 answers. In the application are present only maximum 4. The other are randomized. Obviously, the right answer are present. It's possible, for example, decrease the number to 3. In these cases, I 4 answer. In this case, in the second possibility, I want to decrease to 3, more easy for the user. For the timeline, I want, if I complete correctly the answer to Niki Lauda, I move to the question to Michael Jordan, but not directly execute. In this case, I only show in the trial list. And in these cases, I want added the question about Niki Lauda. Without create after failed, in these cases the event will be completed. If I don't want complete the game, and if I failed the Niki Lauda question, in this case I failed completed the event with or if I remove the enable fail event, I move to the Michael Jordan question. After, in this case, I want to make a photo in case I complete the event and create, for example, a very difficult trial because I want a photo with Michael Jordan. I think it's not easy, and these have a very good score. In case of photo, it's possible, for example, share, if the people share the photo, but share is not is optional. In case of share, I increase my score, increase the score of the user very high. So if you see, it's possible added a lot of trial. We have created some very possibility to, for example, create information trial. In these cases, if I failed the Michael Jordan team name, I don't know, I insert a bio of Michael Jordan. In these cases, I activated after I failed this trial, because probably the user don't know the life of Michael Jordan. So is possible create a lot of interaction, a lot of possibility. For example, at the start, it's possible activate. In this case, I activated only this and the welcome screen, and I activated one by one the trial. But for example, it's possible at the start activated more trial. It's possible, for example, activated the info, other info for the museum, and every info create a subset of quiz of other trial. This is the JSON with the game. This is the script to elaborate the game, and these are some parameters. For example, it's possible create a system to include this type of game in a website. So I insert the URL. This obviously is a fake URL. This is the URL of the images, the URL of the sound, this is the QR code for the scan. Okay, and if you see now, it's difficult to see well, but all the images are point to the website, the new website. The same in case of the sound on the element. Is also possible create a package. It's possible create a package, and it's possible create a zip file, also protected with password. It's possible use an internal directory to create totem for the museum, or kiosk mode for the museum. I want to show this is a directory. This is all the package. In the package are present all the necessary file, the JSON, the images in this case, but also is possible the sound. This is the script. Okay, I need to save before. This is the meta script. These are all the script with all the information about the trial, and from this script will create the JSON. In automatic way, the system create a backup to avoid wrong and the curator have the possibility to return to previous script. Are present the images, and the images will be elaborated to fix some point, the right resolution, to avoid big images to download. For the user is difficult to download big images. So this is not all, because you can create a lot.